Welcome back. In this lesson, we are going to understand one of the most basic but most important concepts in programming, variables. A variable is simply a name that stores a value. You can think of it like a container that has a label on it. For example, x equal to 10. Here x is the variable and it stores the value 10. In Python, you don't have to specify the type of the variable. Python automatically understands what type of value it is. So name equal to Rahul, price equal to 99.5, is active equal to true. Python knows that name is a string, price is a float, is active is a boolean. A few rules to remember. Variable names must start with the letter or underscore. They cannot start with a number. They cannot contain spaces. They are case sensitive. Name and name with a capital N are different. That's it. Python makes variables simple and beginner friendly. In this lesson, let's talk about data types, the kind of data Python stores. Python has several built-in data types. Int stores whole numbers, float stores decimal numbers, str stores strings, bool stores true or false, complex stores complex numbers, and none type represents no value. Example, age equal to 25. Here age is an integer data type. Price equal to 19.99. Here price is a float data type. Name equal to Aisha. Here name is a string data type. Is student equal to true. Here is student is a boolean data type. Value equal to none. Here value is a none type data type. Python allows you to check a data type using type function. Print type age. Understanding data types is essential because it helps Python decide what operations are allowed on the data. Sometimes you need to convert one data type to another. This is called type conversion or typecasting. For example, if you take input using the input function, num equal to input enter a number, even if you type 10, Python treats it as a string. So if you want to do math with it, you must convert it. Num equal to int num. Here are some common conversions. Int converts to integer, float converts to decimal, str converts to string, bool converts to true or false. Example, a equal to 10 string, b equal to int a, now b is an integer. Python is flexible, but always make sure the conversion is valid. Now let's look at arithmetic operators, which help you perform mathematical calculations. Python supports addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, float division, modulus or remainder, and exponent or power. Examples are print 10 plus 5, print 10 divided by 3, print 10 float division 3, print 10 modulo 3, print 2 raised to power 3. These are used everywhere from basic calculations to complex programs. In this lesson, we'll learn relational and logical operators essential for decision making in code. Relational operators. These compare two values: equal to, not equal to, greater than, less than, greater or equal, less or equal. Examples are print 5 greater than 2, prints a true. Print 10 equal to 20, prints a false. Logical operators. These combine conditions and or not. Example, age equal to 20. Print age greater than 18 and age less than 30. This prints a true because here the value 20 is greater than 18 and also 20 is less than 30. These operators are extremely important for if-else conditions, which you will learn in the next section. String formatting allows you to combine text with variables easily. The modern and most popular method is f-strings. Example, name equal to Priya, age equal to 22. Print f double quotes, my name is name and I am age years old, double quotes close. You can even do calculations inside an f-string. Print f double quotes 5 plus 10 equal to, within curly braces, 5 plus 10 and double quotes close. F-strings are clean, fast and used everywhere in Python. Here are a few quick practice exercises to strengthen your understanding. First, ask the user for their name and age and display a greeting with the name and age. Second, take two numbers as input and print their sum, difference, product and division. Third, write a program to calculate the area of a circle. Use formula pi r square. Fourth, write a program that checks whether a number is even or odd. Fifth, write a program that calculates the final price after applying a discount. These simple exercises help you build confidence. Let's build a small project using whatever you have learned so far. A bill calculator. Here's what we want. Ask user for item price, ask for quantity, ask for text percentage, calculate the final bill. Let's walk through the code. Price equal to float, input, enter item price. Quantity equal to int, input, enter quantity. Text equal to float input, enter text percentage. Here we see that we have used type conversion. Price is a float value, means it can store decimals. Quantity is an integer, means it carries whole numbers. Text is again a decimal. Amount equal to price into quantity. Text amount equal to amount into text by 100. Final amount equal to amount plus text amount. Print total amount equal to final amount. Great job! You have successfully built your first project in Python.